Good to have you back for the weekly weather overview regarding Europe. The new week brings changes in the atmospheric configuration across the continent. The duality of the last week's regime is coming to an end. This is happening as a Saharan high-pressure system is forced northward, over Europe, by a Rossby wave arriving from the eastern coast of America. As such, a spell of exceptionally warm weather is establishing itself across the continent. At the same time, over the Atlantic, very cold Arctic air is plunging through the eastern United States and over the relatively warm oceanic waters. The contrast between warm sea surface temperatures and advected cold air is generating intense cyclogenesis, with the resulting cyclones propagating toward Europe. The jet stream is strong and reinforced by these cyclones, which rapidly expel polar air masses away from the European continent. During the upcoming week, Atlantic cyclones will be extremely intense, reaching central pressures near 950 hectopascals, forcing anticyclones to remain confined to the southern half of the continent, while the north stays under persistent cyclonic influence. A very important note concerns the polar vortex, which is currently weak but remains dynamically supported by the intense cyclones affecting our sector of the hemisphere. A spell of very warm weather will dominate the British Isles, with temperatures remaining above climatological averages. The Atlantic is warm, and this will be reflected in temperatures. A slight midweek dip will occur, followed by a return to above-average values. The beneficial aspect is precipitation. Rainfall totals will exceed climatological norms, with events at the beginning and end of the week, accompanied by strong winds, typical autumnal maritime weather. France will also experience warmth, with above-normal temperatures for the second week of December. A single cooling episode will occur during the night from Friday to Saturday. Precipitation will exceed the norm, especially in the northern half of the country, where nearly 30 mm may accumulate, accompanied by wind gusts. From midweek, pressure will rise with the passage of a mobile anticyclone, reducing precipitation but maintaining cloudy skies and very warm conditions. Cooler conditions in the Iberian Peninsula. With Atlantic cyclones so strong, weather in Spain and Portugal will be cooler, under the influence of maritime air masses. A few warmer days will occur in northwestern Spain toward the end of the week. Precipitation will appear in Portugal and western Spain, with totals exceeding 35 mm, accompanied by episodes of strong gusty winds. Somewhat warm in the Mediterranean. Italy will experience slightly above average temperatures throughout the week, especially during the afternoons. Tuesday and Wednesday will be the warmest days. Nights will be cooler, especially in the south. After one of the wettest Novembers in recent decades, the upcoming week will bring a noticeable break in rainfall. Only a few weak precipitation episodes may occur in the Ligurian region, while high pressure will dominate the central Mediterranean basin. With pressure elevated over the Mediterranean, Greece will also experience a rare break in rainfall. Temperatures across the Balkans will be above average, with rain events becoming scarce. Rain and warmth in Central Europe. Germany, Poland, Czechia, Slovakia, Hungary, and Austria are set to experience one of the warmest weeks of December. Atlantic cyclones will bring above-average precipitation to western Germany and near-average amounts in central areas. Elsewhere in Central Europe, rainfall will be scarce and temperatures will be exceptionally warm. Cooling and snowfall in Scandinavia. Cyclones will govern the weather in Scandinavia throughout the week. Temperatures will be mild and snowfall will continue, allowing the snowpack to grow. From Friday, a cold air mass will descend due to a mobile anticyclone detaching from the Greenland region. Temperatures will drop to nearly -30 degrees Celsius in the far north of the peninsula, and Saturday will bring snowfall. By Sunday, warm air returns once again. The snow is yet to settle on the European continent, but the winter shouldn't be considered missed. We have many reasons to believe that vigorous cold intrusions will affect Europe in the following weeks, and those will surely get us back to the normal winter weather across the lower regions of the continent. Stay tuned with us if you want to witness the moment when we will forecast more interesting atmospheric patterns for winter lovers.